Welcome. In front of me is a TOSCIDO X109, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, hold your power key, select power off, and once the tablet turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. As you can see, this boots us instantly into boot mode, or maybe not instantly, but after like a couple seconds of holding it. And from here you can navigate using only volume up. It will just go down and then cycle back up. And you will confirm your selection with volume down. So with that in mind, we can boot to recovery mode, fast boot mode, or go back to Android by selecting normal boot, which is what I will select right now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.